Isang kababae natin naglabas ng hinaing at pagkadismaya sa isang security guard sa NAIA dahil nagsisinungaling daw ito at hindi nagsasabi ng totoo. Dahil nakikiusap daw sila dahil nga meron daw silang kasamang senior at hindi na makalakad ng maayos at gumagamit na ng walker. Pero hindi daw sila pinayagan ng security guard at sinasabing meron daw aksidente sa unahan na hindi nga natin maikonekta kung ano ang related ng aksidente sa unahan para hindi priority ang isang kababayan nating may kondisyong medikal. At ang ikinadismaya pa ng kababayan natin na pagkaalis daw nila mismo ay nakita nila na binuksan or inalis ng security guard ang cone para sa ibang sasakyan. Kaya tinawag niya ang atensyon ng security management sa NAIA.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Terminal 3 and I have not a very nice experience when coming in kasi we're in the departure. Okay, we're close dun sa departure sa pagpasok and then nilagyan ng cone ng airport security. Nung sinasabi niya, ang hindi ko lang nagusto kasi ang excuse niya is sinabi niya na may aksidente. As soon as we turn a little bit going to the other lane on the other side, sinabi ko sa kanya na we have a handicap. Sinabi niya, ini-insist niya na may aksidente. So I said, okay, that's fine. Pero nung wala palang aksidente because as soon as we just move on the other side, binuksan niya ang cone and let the other vehicle to come in. Ang point ko dito is, he's not telling the truth. Hindi siya nagiging honest. Okay, dapat bibigyan niya ng one vehicle just to let the one vehicle because marami pa naman space eh. Let the one vehicle to come in because there's a handicap using a walker. Tapos sasabihin niya may aksidente but he's not telling the truth because there's no accident. Tapos biglang may pumasok ang dami-daming vehicle. So please, this is i-address ko rin to sa in charge ang head ng security here at the airport in Terminal 3 because now we just arrived here at 6:30. The very person assigned this hour as you enter departure area, the very person security down there, yon ang taong na hindi marunong mag-consider at saka bibuksan niya ang tatanggalin niya yung cone. Umalis na kami ng few, papunta pa lang kami sa another sa kabilang sabi pa nga niya drop off. In spite of the fact na sinabi ko we have a handicap. Tapos bigla niyang bubuksan niya yung lane na yon. And that's not right. That's not right. See? Yan. They need to pay attention. They really need to pay it. And they need to be honest. Kasi kung may accident yun, they should not open the lane, the first lane right away. Hindi dapat binuksan yun right away. Kasi lang namin, kausap lang namin, we just slept a few minutes. Not even few minutes. Sandaling-sandali lang. Yun ang doon. I just wanna, call the attention of the head of the security, please. Because hindi tama yung ginawa. That's not really right. That's not really right. I hope this issue will be addressed for the sake of those people, especially when they say the handicap. We need to give prioritize to handicapped people, senior people. Okay? Kasi mahina mga tuhod na yan. They cannot walk very far. And my sister is how do you call that? Handicapped with a walker. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.
Kayo guys, ano ang masasabi nyo tungkol sa issue na ito? At kumusta naman ang karanasan nyo sa NAIA? Ako naman guys, sa tagal ko na umuwi sa Pilipinas at bumabalik dito sa Dubai, so far ay okay naman ang experience ko sa NAIA. Basta lagi lang tayo mag-iingat at iwasan magtiwala kahit kanino para hindi kayo maloko at mabiktima ng makawatan sa loob ng ating paliparan.